Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an OD, welcome back, guys. So as you can see by the title, we are doing a get ready with me holiday party edition as I do the last makeup tutorial for the year. Just wanted to show you guys a simple makeup routine for a holiday party with the pop of color in the waterline. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys in this tutorial. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright y'all, so we're just going to do a quick tutorial for a makeup look for a holiday party. This was my This was my last makeup tutorial for the 2023 year. Yes, we already in the new year, but I wanted to give y'all my last look that I did. So right here, I'm just going in and filling in my brows after I prepped them with my NYX brow gel, and I'm just filling in the areas. I don't have to do too much filling because I have naturally thick brows, so I just go in and fill in the areas that I want to fill in to fulfill that perfect shape. And then what I actually wanted to do this time was going with my LA Pro Girl concealer and just filling the brows this way. I like LA Pro Girl because for some reason I feel like they have a more variation of color when it comes to concealers for my skin tone. So I kind of went back to the basics here, but I did also go back in with another concealer to just go in and like start to clean up, because I do like a little highlighted brows. So that's what I'm doing here, and then blending out with my Real Technique brushes. Alright, so before I do like an eyeshadow base, I like to just go ahead and conceal my whole lid. So I actually went in with my Maybelline in the shade 30 concealer, and I'm going in with my Beauty Blender brush, or not a brush, but the little, I forgot what you call these things. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all see that they were viral, everybody got them, and they actually are the best. But I'm going in and just blend out that concealer before I cover my full lid and apply the actual eyeshadow base. And I'm using a P. Louise number 5. And I'm going in with a brush just to blend out that base. And then I'm blending that out before I apply my setting powder on top. Alright, so to prep my face, I'm going with my e.l.f. primer, and then for the nose area, because the pores seem to show more in that area, I'm going in with my e.l.f. matte poreless primer. And then for the eyeshadow for my lids, I'm going in with my Old Faithful Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and then I'm also going in with my other Warrior palette, and I'm just going back and forth with the browns. I'm going to show you guys what brown and a few I use as the base shadow for the lid. Right now I'm just using this brown as a transition shade before I apply the base shadow. So I'm just checking it out here, just making sure that it's fully blended, going back and forth, and then I'm going to apply that brown on top of that transition shade to get the full like smoky soft brown eye look. So that's what I'm doing here in these next couple steps, just blending that out. And then once I get the desired look, I'm going to go in and start my face. I think what I'm going to do this year in 2024 is try to find different foundations that is more closer to my shade. Like this color is my shade once I do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and then when it oxidizes. But I want to find some foundations that matches, you know, have more of a perfect match. These foundations do work, but you know, with so many products and so many things out there, I want to try to find more that is that I have to do less work, to say the least, because I kind of want to do more natural looks this year. Like today, I really just did the simple. I filled my brows a little bit, did a slight cleanup under my brows, and did a mascara, and that was it. I really want to focus on my my skin, because your base plays a major role in how your makeup turns out. So I just want to get me together on that aspect, but then also being able to find like a more natural look if I want to do that without the concealer and all that. So excuse me, y'all. So I just really want to focus on that too this year. But I'm just going in with my concealer here, and I'm using the Maybelline here in this step. This is in the shade 30, and I'm just applying that in my T-zone area. And I've said it before in other videos, but I don't put a lot of foundation in those areas because I know I'm going to be covering those up with concealer. So if you watching my video, I'm like, oh girl, I see your freckles here and there. Yeah, I don't. That's why I don't really focus a lot on those areas, because they will be covered up with the concealer. So I try to preserve my product as much as I can in the areas that I don't require too much makeup, to say the least. So that is what I'm doing here, and I've been trying to do this little contour under my chin. I'm not sure if I like it or if I'm doing it enough. It's new to me, so I'm not going too heavy-handed with it, or trying to figure it out too much right now because it's still new. So maybe we'll figure it out some more. If not, I'm probably gonna stop doing it. But I don't know why I did it this time. I don't know what made me start doing that, but I'm doing it, okay? But this is really like one of my favorite parts, like blending out the concealer. It's just kind of satisfying to me because it just brings the look together, and it just shows like, oh, it's coming together, like that final, like, oh, this is, trust the process, you know what I mean? So I'm glad that this part really just came together well. Sometimes I be like playing with different foundations. Like I do my own makeup all the time, but like in the winter and the summer, your skin tone changes and your foundation does too. But it's like certain ones I be trying to think I can like play with a little bit more, and then I end up like looking a little darker than normal or a little bit lighter than normal. So I think I just want to master me and get to the point where I'm more comfortable with my like makeup routine, because honestly, every time I do my makeup, the foundation may change or the concealers, and honestly I need to put that aside anyway, and I used to do that so I can separate that from like my makeup kit from when I like travel and do others' makeup. But I'm going to try to get, I feel like I said that before, but I really want to focus on 2024, like organizing and just getting things in order. So that's my goal for myself when it comes to everything, really. But yeah, I don't know what I'm about to say, y'all, but I do hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. I hope that you guys have set plans and goals for the 2024 year and started off the year right. So far, so good. But hey, life can be life sometimes. So I'm not even going to judge 2024 off the first day. But I hope everybody following me continues to stay, watch my channel grow, support me, give me feedback when needed, and just really share love here on this channel, because I really appreciate it. I don't focus on the negative comments or the negative feedback, especially when it's not given in a constructive manner. And when I say that, like, I am open to feedback and criticism, but when you can feel as though it's not coming from a place of positive and trying to help someone, opposed to coming off more of a malice perspective, mean, hateful, it's a difference, you know what I'm saying? And that is what I cannot entertain or will not respond to. So I just want to thank everybody who has new to my channel this year, helped me grow to my 1K goal that I had for myself this year on my birthday. I definitely appreciate all of you, and I'm just excited for this year and the new things that are going to be coming to my channel, the partnerships that will come, the growth that will come, the financial standpoints that will come. I feel like my hard work will really pay off this year, and I'm going to speak and claim that for myself and my channel. And I just want to thank y'all, and I look forward to 2024. So I'm gonna let y'all continue to watch me finish this phase and get back to this video. Okay, y'all, I know I was about to be gone, but I just want to share. So I had decided to go in with this pop of color because I was going to a Christmas dinner, and so I didn't want to like do a bright eye. I wanted to keep it natural. So I said, let me just put a pop of color in the waterline, and that would be cute, something that really popped. And so that's what I did here, and that's why I wanted to just do red. I wore red and stuff. Like, I don't want to be like too clashy with the reds, but I just wanted to do a pop of color. So that's what I decided to do in the waterline. So carry on for the festivities. All right, guys, that's it for the video. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss an upload, guys. This has been a quick little get ready with me routine. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please make sure that you are hitting those thumbs up button as we go into the new year. I look forward to more content, more uploads, more tutorials, more growth, more light and positive direction for the 2024 year. So I just want to thank you guys so much for helping me grow this year and just reaching new goals for the 2024 year. So as always, guys, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the 2024 next video.